standard protocol for shrink wrap liposuction is a customized, individualized treatment plan for the patient. Well, shrink wrap liposuction is a minimally invasive procedure that I pioneered at the Beverly Hills Institute of Aesthetic and Reconstructive Surgery. And what it entails is bringing two platforms of liposuction together, meaning the traditional and more cutting-edge technologies, and also the latest advancements in laser, radiofrequency, and ultrasound therapy for liquefying of the fat, skin tightening, and removing in an easily manner of fat. The standard protocol for shrink wrap liposuction is a customized, individualized treatment plan for the patient, meaning we address the patient's quality of skin and assess the amount of fat that will be removed. Depending on the type of fat, either loose or lobular fat, or more firm or fibrous or stubborn fat, we select different laser platforms that are specific for giving the patient the best result, not only melting of the fat, removal of the fat, but also skin tightening.